In today's video, I'll show you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. If you don't use OneDrive, removing OneDrive can help reduce unnecessary background activity and free up system resources. OneDrive constantly runs in the background to sync your files, which can use CPU, memory, and network bandwidth, even when you're not actively using it. By uninstalling OneDrive, you can stop these background sync processes and keep your system a little cleaner and more responsive. So, let's get started. First, click on Windows Start button and open Settings. Next, go to Apps, and then click Installed Apps. Here you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your system. In the search box, type OneDrive, and you'll see Microsoft OneDrive appear in the results. Click the three dot menu next to OneDrive, then select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Windows will now remove OneDrive from your system and stop it from syncing files to the cloud. Keep in mind that uninstalling OneDrive will not delete the local copies of your files that are already stored on your computer. If you also want to remove those files, open File Explorer, then go to C drive and then open the Users folder. Then open your user account folder, and here you'll see the OneDrive folder. Inside, you'll find your synced OneDrive files and folders. If you no longer need these local copies, you can safely delete them to free up disk space. Don't worry if your files were successfully synced before uninstalling OneDrive, they'll still be available in your OneDrive cloud storage, and you can access them anytime by signing in to your OneDrive account. If this video helped you remove OneDrive from Windows 11, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.